Can I take your guys' picture?
Sure, yeah.
You sure? Okay. I can send it to you, give me an email or whatever if you want. Here, look here. I do street photography and a YouTube video, so it'll also be YouTube, okay? All right, here, let me get it. So I'm usually leery of asking, so, you know, but all right. You guys want, do you want a copy of them or anything like that? Here, let me, and then like I said, there'll be a YouTube video with this too. I just go around and take pictures and all that stuff. So I don't have a card on me. You got your phone, you want to, and you can check me out, make sure I'm legit and all that. I do. 317. I'm Jason. Can I take your picture real quick? Sure. Awesome. All right, give me a call. Thank you. Okay, so I might have just got some business there talking to you guys. So just text me, what's your name?
Myra.
Myra, just text me Myra and I'll know who you guys are. And then I'll send you some of the photos, and then also in a week or so the video will be up too. So let me get another one. You guys want a hug or something, or get a, I assume your buddies, right? Okay, son's, let me get the shot here. Awesome, one more here. Excellent, thanks ladies, you have a great day.
You're welcome. You too.
All right, that was awesome. We are back at it, downtown Indianapolis. There's a radio station right on the center. That's always kind of cool to see. I don't think I can get a good shot of this, but oh well, there we go. And let's see, let's get started with our JJC thumb grip right here. It just slides into your hot shoe right there. This thing is awesome. Very helpful for where you can put your thumb, whether you're shooting like this or like this or like this. It's great to have that there. I've also got my GA1 coupler, which goes on the front of the lens. This just pops right off like this. Put it on there, you put your little UV filter on there, and you've got a great lens protection. And I leave it on there all the time, whether it's at home, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna get this shot right here, and then I'll tell you what we're shooting at. Okay, and we're shooting at 1/400th of a second of our shutter speed. We are at f7.1 right now. We can go up to 8, and we are at. Sing it, brother, sing it. There he is, right on.
Them good old boys was drinking whiskey and rye.
And he knows the words.
This'll be the day that I die.
Thanks, guys. Take care, buddy.
For 10 years. Alrighty, well the sun's a little higher in the sky than it was earlier today, which of course I think that happens every day, but point being, I feel like I have a little more sunlight to work with here at this time of the day. Got a guy coming here, get construction. We'll see what we can get on this shot. Positioning is important. You need to look and see which is the best way. Usually I don't like the street in the shot. I like to get the backdrop of the buildings, and that adds more character, I think. And it controls your light a little more. Oh, check this out. Don't know if that'll come out or not. Guy sitting inside. There's another one. Probably more of me than them. Okay, we get some activity happening here. And again, there'll be folks that'll try to say this is not street photography because I'm just walking by and snapping photos. I'm taking snapshots of what I'm doing. A lot of ways you can look at this. I'm just marking time.
I really didn't talk about that much because I've been down at the office, but...
And what's going on at the moment. It's also just fun for me to walk around and do it. And, you know, if this is not street photography to you, then, you know, go ahead and log off and check out another video, I guess, is all I can really tell you. But I'm enjoying myself. I enjoy doing it this way. I know a lot of other folks do as well. And that's why I've continued to make these videos.
this is a made-for-me shot right here. Perfect sunlight in this guy, perfect lighting. Hopefully I got the shot. All right, so we got some activity going. Kind of loud here, a lot of construction happening. Okay, here comes the guy on a scooter. Let's see if we can get the guy on the scooter, see if he'll cross the road for us, or if he's going to turn. Which is going to turn. Basically, my practice, my rule of thumb is to just take a shot of everybody that you walk by, and you'll see me constantly twisting the camera, holding it this way, shooting it this way. I don't do many verticals, and I'll shoot it this way, and of course I'll shoot them coming straight on. I did not turn the display off. You could probably, I'm not going to shoot more than a couple hundred here. You can get a couple hundred shots out of one battery with your display on and the review. I never use the review. I already shot a couple hundred shots this morning. Now I'm back out. I'll shoot a couple hundred and be happy. So, oh, chick on a bike, chick on a bike. Here we go. Cool shot, hopefully. So it's relatively dark here, so let's see. I'm going to pull my aperture down a little bit, leave it at 400, see what this gets us if we can get the light here. Oh yeah. Crank it back up to 8. So that's the beauty of this camera, is even in a low light situation, shady situations, you're still getting awesome photos. Okay, there we go. Go straight on down this way. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we got some cool light here, but just not very many people. So let me see what I can come up with here. So what I'd like to do is be able to work this light here. There's just not enough people, and really you need evening light for this. Like, even if I walk out here and try to get these people as they walk up, I'm just not going to have a lot of luck, I don't think. Well, that one could be kind of cool. see who else we got, but there's just, this is usually a very busy intersection of people, pedestrians. I've come up with some of my best photos from this little spot here, but I don't think that's going to be the case today. And let's see, I'm going to get these guys coming out of this shade here. I'm trying to work some light today, but I'm not really sure that it's how it's gonna go. And I'm acting like I'm doing this, but then bam and bam, and then we'll see there what we can come up with. And okay, so we got some shots there. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna scoot up here and get these ladies, and then I need to head back toward my car. Oh, watch this. Watch this. This is cool. I don't know if it came out or not, but now these ladies here. Okay. So we got that. Oh, guy on a bike. Let me get this dude on a bike right here. Guy on a bike. Always get the guy on a bike. Always get the guy on a bike. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get a reflection here. Get him on this side. I'm gonna pick my side. Oh, here we go. Okay, the sun is on that side of the road. That's what we want. So I'm going to go back to this side of the street. Wanted to get that girl crossing. Got another one coming up here. So let's see if I can get in position to get this shot. Looks like I will. Excellent. There we go. Let's see how that one came out. Another couple here. Let's see, I want them in the sun, so I'm going to go inside this time and get them out onto the street. Boy, the timing is everything. It just feels like I'm not timing these quite right. I'm out of practice, haven't been out in a while. So we'll certainly see. There we go. Okay guys, so we're coming to an end with our video, and as you can hear, we're back to where we were originally starting from with the construction. I love this tunnel. This tunnel, I've gotten some awesome photos out of this tunnel before. Doesn't look like I'm going to get any today, but yeah, these aren't good. But I'll show you a couple that I got last year when I was out here. And most of this stuff was all closed down this year, so I didn't really take any walks down here, but it's good that they're opening all back up. Get this construction guy here. Hey, lunchtime. Right on. Okay guys, so that's going to do it. Thanks for tuning in, checking it out, and we will hopefully have some more videos coming out here in the future. Certainly let me know what you think. Please like, please subscribe, please comment, and we'll keep them rolling. All right guys, until the next one, so long everybody.